On your computer, on the phone screen, enter your phone number and choose text or calling. Then click Next. If you choose Text Me a Code, you will receive a text message with a 6-digit code. On your computer, enter the code and click Next. The Next button will become active once you enter the code. You will receive the SMS verified screen. Click Next. You will then receive the success screen. Click Done. If you chose Call Me, you will receive a call on the submitted phone number. When you answer the call, listen to the message and press the pound key for verification. On your computer, click Next on the verification screen. Once you have successfully set up your 2 authentication methods on your computer, you will be redirected to your account security info page where you can change your default method, add additional methods such as email address, delete any previously set up methods, and change your phone number or email address. Note, you can return to this page by visiting myaccount.daytonastate.edu and selecting the Security Info tile.